Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nay the Hustler. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. I post every Wednesday and every Sundays. Do click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video you will be notified. To all my subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you so much. I'm so excited to let you guys know that I finally got my first YouTube paycheck because of you guys. I'm so excited. I didn't believe it was possible, but it is possible, guys. So for everyone that's been watching my channel, watching my video, watching my ads, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Do comment down below and let me know if you want me to do a video and let you guys know on how much my first YouTube paycheck was. So in today's video, we are going on a family trip with my family. Now this is a trip that we take yearly. However, for the past 2 years I was unable to go with my family because I am married and my husband is from a different province. I'm from Mpumalanga and my husband is from Joburg. So if I'm not this side, then I'm in Joburg. So that's how I miss out on family trips. This year I was so excited to be going with my family on this trip. It is very important for me because I had a difficult year regarding my business. It's been a tough year, guys. It's been so hectic. If you've watched my business content, you would have seen that I was really struggling. My business was really struggling. So this is so exciting for me, and also I just love traveling. When you travel, your mind is refreshed. If I had a lot of money, I wouldn't stay in one place. I'd be traveling all the time. So yeah, guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this day with me and my family. It's my son's first trip and I am so excited. As you can see, the greenery, I love green is my favorite color, guys. So this is actually a very much needed trip for me. So yeah, guys, see you on the other side.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it
are taking a quick break. As you can see, I'm not the only one who's excited. My husband seems excited as well. So yeah, we're just taking a break at Sabi Town, which is in Mpumalanga, and we've got my siblings and my cousins over there. So yeah, before we get back on the road, just a quick break. So we have arrived at our destination, and as you can see, siblings, family, cousins are just trying to get comfortable. They're just trying to, get in the spirit of holidays. So I'm just gonna move away from here so that I'm able to talk because it's so noisy. So guys, we are vlogging today. I'm with my family. I have my husband and my son. It's officially my son's first trip, and we're really having a good time. We just got here. We still need to set up and brush. This is such a beautiful place, guys. It's so beautiful. It's very chilled. It's very peaceful. It's very relaxing. So they do have braai stands. They've got sitting areas where you can chill with your family. However, the sitting place, like most of them are in the sun. So there are trees where you can chill if you've got something to lay down on the floor. For instance, if you've got a towel, you can just use that and chill in the shade. And yeah, you can have great picnics as well. So they do have bathrooms. You don't have to worry about going to the you don't have to worry about going to the bushes, guys. They have proper bathrooms where you can flush. It's very, very nice, guys. They've got bins, so you don't have to litter anywhere. So yeah, it is perfect. It's perfect. It's a perfect place for family, for friends, for partners. Just comment down below and let me know, would you visit such a place, or are you scared of snakes? Also, I haven't seen any snake here, so if you're scared of snakes, do not worry. This place is safe.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Naomi is here. Going to see the river. Is it a big river, Andile, or it's just a small one? Yo, lana kuyathusa. Hey, ngaphumi anaconda landile. I'm telling you. But is it nice?
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yo.
It's okay. Hey,
Yeah. Hey, did you charge up?
Nile.
Yo.
Ngithathela utshwala bami.
Uthathele ngibani?
Ngokenda ngazi.
Hey guys, so we came to see the river. There's a river flowing just behind me, so that's what we came here to do. I was with my brother, my husband, and my son, and baby girl Amanhle. Yeah, but I'm not gonna show you guys Amanhle because hey. So this is the river. The water is flowing. It's going that way. I can't really see where it's going, but it's so beautiful. The breeze is absolutely amazing. You know, it's been such a hectic year. It's been so tiring. It's been so stressful. So I'm really, really happy that we actually got to take this trip to come here. I don't know what this place is called, guys. I keep on forgetting to check because I think there's a board in the front. There's a board at the front there, so I'm just gonna check and I'll let you guys know where this place is. It's so beautiful.
Say what you